Olahai, miércoles mahokaji banjua, special mom kyau pranamas vehu, setu canon lily, bloom, paddy replantation, palm oil, dripping, pipes, PVC pipes, cylinder materials and flight booking to Delhi, especially Juve di hau kung se hunom even mom diehu conferencia numehu a nuzavam pose paddy replantation uno tehu jagricol e numehu do setu canon lily ye fluhi yehu e numehu twa palm oil materials some venue yehu e numehu quathu juye fe je fe flight booking to Delhi yehu ni estoy sintiendo asombroso confidencia do miércoles mahokaji banjua do canon lily blue paddy replantation palm oil drippings materials and flight booking to Delhi. It's nice conference do miércoles mahokaji banjua.